Welcome to the DevTech Plus YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. In this video, we'll explain how Oxygen Miner withdrawal types work. First, log into your existing account to access your dashboard. Where you'll see your XGN, BTC, and Ether balances. Be sure to check your mining pool since one type of withdrawal requires it. Now, let's withdraw some XGN. Navigate to the wallet. Select Withdraw, choose your withdrawal option and details. Enter the amount and hit the Transfer Now button. I'm withdrawing $3,000 to my PayPal balance. I won't show my PayPal details due to YouTube policy. After initiating the withdrawal, go to the wallet and select Transactions. You'll see your withdrawal pending and it will be approved within 24 hours. For BTC or Ether withdrawals, go to the Miner 5.0 section and open the Settings page. On the right-hand side, you'll see the withdrawal plan. There are two types: Magic Code, which allows you to withdraw BTC for free up to 5 times, and the normal plan, where you must pay withdrawal fees separately from your wallet balance. The same applies to Ethereum withdrawals. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. For those who have watched until the end, we're offering a 50% discount on the magic code, meaning you only pay half the price. Thanks for your time. I'm Michael Holloway, and I'll see you next time.